Who's ready for the picture?
Me.
Who's me?
Caitlin. Grant.
Okay, sit down, look. Look at the camera and just be still.
Okay. And where'd we get these from?
Corey and Lisa.
Who used to sleep on these?
Connor and Racy.
Uh-huh. So who's sleeping on the bottom tonight?
Mason.
Where's he?
At the bottom.
Where's Mason? Which one's Mason?
This one.
Uh-huh. Can I get a close-up?
Yeah.
Say me. And who's sleeping on the top?
Grant.
Who's he? Which one's he?
Grant.
And who's sleeping in their same old boring old bed?
Me.
Me. Okay, you want to say goodbye to Grandma and Grandpa?
Bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandpa.